Control your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G even when it's closed. Take pictures, edit your next viral video, and quickly share with your friends. Plus, it's perfectly flexible for every pose. The stronger display, aluminum frame, and water resistance are a total flex. Create the ultimate viewing experience wherever you are. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Unfold your world.
I'm Chris Lorigan, Product Marketing Manager for the Nokia 2720 Flip. The Classic is back, this time with 4G. It's got nice big buttons, it's easy to use, and it's a classic Nokia, so you know it's reliable. It's for people who just want the basics in life, but also want to stay in contact with the latest technology. So being able to include things such as 4G, WhatsApp, Facebook, even the Google Assistant is amazing in such an iconic form factor.
Introducing the Kyocera Dura Series flip phones. Built durable, compact, and customizable for ease of use. Designed with a textured grip for a secure hold. Convenient, tactile buttons for use with or without gloves. A large, clear display with adjustable font size for exceptional readability. A customizable interface for quick access to your favorite apps. And push-to-talk, enabling instant connection at the push of a programmable button. The perfect companion to those seeking a friendly, dependable device with key features that matter most, like loud, front-facing speakers, noise cancellation for clear communication, a sharp 5-megapixel camera to capture photos and video, an integrated FM radio receiver for entertainment, plus the dependability of a device that's built tough, safe to wash and disinfect, covered by a 2-year warranty, and supports an array of useful accessories. Durable, compact, and customizable Dura Series flip phones by Kyocera.
They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Like me no more. Shining like a supernova, brand new code hanging on my shoulders. I got what you need, I'm your main controller. So hop right in and don't take it slower. Get on up to my cloud, ain't nobody here's taking us down. Hit 'em with the rhythm, banging that sound. That's when we get 'em, hit the whole town. Got what you want, I got what you need. You bring the lock, I got the keys. Come turn me on, can't get enough. Don't fit the box, don't fit the mold, cause you know I just tear it up. They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Make 'em like me no more.
The new Motorola Razr is a modern flip phone with 5G speed. So you can flip it open, do your thing, and snap it shut. The Razr's 2 fully capable screens are there to meet your needs, whether you want an immersive experience or a little digital detox. When closed, the Quick View display gives you everything at a glance. View app notifications, reply to text, play songs, get directions, and more. When open, you have a 6.2-inch OLED display designed to mimic the film industry's standard 21:9 aspect ratio, which means you can get a movie theater experience on a flip phone. You're also getting the most advanced selfie camera at 48 megapixels. Most front-facing cameras barely offer half that. Plus, the slim design makes holding it up and smiling a breeze. And those 5G speeds are no joke either. Download movies in minutes, stream without buffering, video chat without lag. The Razr isn't going to waste your time. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 760 5G processor keeps things running smoothly with 8 gigs of memory and 256 gigs of storage. And when you need a boost, turbo power charging gives you hours of power in minutes. So you can stop worrying about closing down apps just to make it through the day. Power, pocket, and people-friendly. Check out the new Razr.
About to get down, living it up. Never touch ground, never enough. About to get down, living it up. Never touch ground, never enough. Got me feeling good. Vibes. Got me feeling good. I've been feeling good tonight. See the spotlight, oh my god. Everybody's watching me. I'ma leave a prophecy. See that? That's my move, yeah. I move like a queen. Maybe 1, 2, 3, everybody's copying me. I'm a trendsetter, you see. I come in and stay. I feel like million bucks going up and down. Take some pictures with my girls, cause I'm feeling so dang high. Step it up like me, be confident now. Step it down like me, don't ruin my vibe. Coming in hard and a snap like